I am back with the AliExpress haul and napkins. We're talking napkins today. Now, if you're doing junk journals or you've got into decoupaging using napkins, you have probably found out by now that they are quite expensive to get, you know, really nicely patterned ones. I mean, you know, you sometimes see them in your local supermarket, but to be honest with you, there isn't that much choice in our supermarket. You know, you have to be quite lucky. I have managed to find some, but if you go on to eBay or, you know, certain shops in the UK especially, I don't know if it's like this in America or whatever, but they're quite expensive. I found that, you know, they're £5 upwards for a pack of 20 napkins, which, no, I think that's a little bit much, do you know what I mean? So anyhow, I have found some really gorgeous napkins. I'm going to tell you how much they are and show you them. So let's put these to the side for a minute and show you these lovely napkins. So I think they are all, I'm sure they're all 20 in a pack, and these were £2.12. And on one side, let me just pull them out, or pull one out so that you can see just how gorgeous these are. I mean, look at these napkins, look. That is just absolutely stunning, and it's, you know, beautiful all over. So you wouldn't actually waste any of that napkin in, you know, like some napkins, it's only part of it you want to use. These, you can use all of it. Look at this lovely script. Oh, cannot wait to do some projects with these. Look at these. £2.12. That's including postage. And I think that they post to anywhere in the world, AliExpress. If you just put in paper napkins, you will find these gorgeous, gorgeous napkins out there. So let's see if I can get this back in the pack, which I probably, actually I'm going to leave it out because otherwise it will be painful for you all to watch. The next one I have are these. Look, green, my favourite colour. £2.12 for a pack of 20. And let's have a look at them. Now, I'm only doing these videos not to slate people that are in the UK or wherever selling these items. I'm a frugal crafter. I like to get more for my money, and I just want to show you, you know, where you can get these items. So this one, I think, repeats 4 times. So you've got this one image and it repeats 4 times on that. So, you know, you would get 4 projects out of that if you were just doing the whole image, or if you was just using parts of that image. I mean, look at that. It is just gorgeous with the dragonfly and the butterfly and the beautiful rose. And again, cannot wait to get going with my napkin projects. My gosh. Okay, right. This one, look, even cheaper. £1.47 for a pack of 20. And these are really good if you are doing, I can find how to get into the pack. These are really good if you're doing smaller projects, because these are smaller, like, images, so to speak. And I think this just repeats. Yeah, it does. It just repeats all over. So you have 16 little squares of patterns. So you've got a bird. So you've got, sorry, the butterflies, a flower, a bird, and then a nice floral. So that one repeats all the way through. Okay, let's pop that there. And then, oh my gosh, I had to have these. £1.85 for a pack of 20. Look at the biscuits. Oh my goodness me. Look, there's Lulu's. There's Charlie Asbo. There's not a black one for being all poppy. But we have 2 of my cats on there. She looks a little bit like Charles, actually. And it looks like Louis, King Louis as a baby. That one looks just like him when he was a baby. Right, and this one, again, repeats. So, lots. Oh my gosh, look at these. I know what I'm going to be doing later or tomorrow. I will be doing some napkin projects. Look at these. And, you know, this one has a little bit of a vintage vibe going on there a bit, doesn't it? Oh, look at them little faces. Oh my good, look, I have to do this one. It does look a little bit like Charlie, but he looks the spit of Louis when he was a baby cat. Oh, I like those a lot. Right, let's pop that one there. And then we have these ones, which were £1.55, with the vintage script and post stamps, a French feel about them. These are yummy. They're all yummy, actually. And if I could get into them. Just in like a black and white on here. So I can't wait to see what they're going to look like on top of book pages and things like that. So this one repeats. It's just a repetitive pattern. So you've got, look at that. It is lovely. And it's quite big images as well. So these would be gorgeous to make big tags from. And I'm not sure. I've got a feeling that they're just 2-ply, which are easier to pull apart. So I think they might not all be. That one's 2-ply. They feel quite thin, so I don't think they're 3-ply. But it doesn't really matter. You just take the top layer off anyway. But when I do my projects, you will see. This one, £1.30. £1.30 for 20 napkins. Come on. I mean, this will keep you going for a while, won't it? And these are beautiful and floral. Oh, we pulled out the whole pack then. So this one, again, just repeats. So let's open it out and show you. Dun, dun, look at that. Gorgeous. Lovely, beautiful flowers and butterfly. This one's got a lovely feel about it, actually. Very vibrant. Look at that. So that's that one. And then the last one, £1.99, has a bit of a travel theme going on here. I think it is a repeat pattern. I think they all are apart from one, aren't they? I am waiting for a couple more packs of napkins, which haven't arrived yet, but I've got a feeling one pack has arrived and I've put it somewhere and I don't know where it is. Not sure. So yeah, this one repeats. Is that the Leaning Tower of Pisa? I think. So this has a travel, like maps, post stamps, travel stamps, and this image here. So very lovely, especially if you're doing a travel journal. There you go. So those are my packs of napkins, and as you can see, it doesn't cost an awful lot to have a large variety of them. Look, they are just delicious. So gorgeous. I think my favourites have to be the cat one and this one. I love the colours of this one. But they're all absolutely gorgeous. It'd be interesting to see what they look like, excuse me, on projects. And just a little heads up, I have a big giveaway coming up. I'm nearly at my 3,000 subscribers. Cannot believe it. So I'm going to be doing a big giveaway for that. And I will be putting in a selection of my napkins, excuse me, in the giveaway. But there are a lot more giveaways, a lot more items in the giveaway. But I will be putting in this gorgeous pile of napkins, excuse me, so that you can have a little go with them. Okay. and I'm just about to lose my voice, so I'm going to go now, and I will see you all later on. Take care for now. Bye.